there's a very important point here, is that the timing of when these breakouts occurred, which are at the very beginning stages of the fourth quarter, 2023, 2024.
Take us through the price action here, because we are seeing that similar kind of consolidation breakout, but we got some kind of bottoming patterns of developing each time the consolidation happens.
That's right. So as we can tell here, it's a very clear bullish pattern. Now, the only difference between this one so far and the previous two is we haven't got the full extension yet. Now, there's a very important point here, is that the timing of when these breakouts occurred, which are at the very beginning stages of the fourth quarter, 2023, 2024. So here we are again right now. That's because there's been positive seasonality for Bitcoin over its history, over the last 10 years of
in the fourth quarter, especially.
In the fourth quarter, especially October. So here we are now. We know Bitcoin's already up a good amount. So I think this has ability to eventually take advantage of this and much higher.
Okay, so that's the regular gold versus the digital gold trade. Let's clear this and let's put the comparative up, because the relative price movement can tell us something about maybe future performance as well. No guarantees, of course, right? The disclaimer is always there. But what did the pattern show you? This is the course of the past kind of year or so. What are you seeing here?
That's right. As we can tell, coming into the month, it was a pretty big performance gap, almost 20%. Right. So there is a tendency to have this close. Now, we've seen this before as well, where it started off very similar, and then as gold stopped, this is when Bitcoin started to rally again. And of course, by the time you got to the summer months, those percentages were now the same again, which I think has a pretty good chance of happening once more. That could even, again, gold moving just sideways or lower and Bitcoin continuing to move higher. And I think you see that into the fourth quarter, into the end of the year.
So we've combined all of those together. What we are concluding with this is, if the historical patterns have played out like they have in the past, we could see a rally for Bitcoin and a consolidation phase for regular gold.